My name's Maria. As an avid world traveler and resident of both Portugal and the United States, I'd like to bring you tips about where to go, what to wear, and how to pack to get it all there. We are going to be doing a review of the features of the backpack by Beis. And this is the Atlas pink color. It comes in 8 colors total, and it retails for $88. They do sometimes give you the opportunity when you go to their website to fill out your email to get 15% off of your order. So there's that. It's 1.8 pounds and this is empty. So the measurements we're gonna go ahead and do. They say that it's 13 inches wide. So let's see what we say. I would say more like 14 and a half, honestly. And then the height, they say, is 19. And I say it's 16. So that's interesting. And then the depth, I'm coming up with more like 7.5 inches deep. So that's that. This is a really great bag in that it opens up like a clamshell. So you have full access. I decided to just show you how deep this is close up, and these pockets here. So I'm going to go ahead and undo this compression elastic and get my packing cubes in here first. And you can see these are good sized packing cubes. They're going to fit in here really nicely, but they are full. I'm going to put those on the bottom, and then I'm going to put my crossbody on the bottom part, and then my liquids I'm going to put on the top part, and then I'm going to bring this compression elastic over, and you can see there's actually still space. There's a lot of space in here that I could fill in some more stuff if I wanted to, but I like having a little bit of space so it's not jam-packed like a big, huge box. And then on this side here, I'm going to put some face wipes in one of these. And then I'll put a deodorant in the other one. Those are some things that I might like to have when I get off the plane and want to refreshen up before I get into a car. I'm going to put my glasses and some pills in here, some medication, and glasses. Great. So I'll just zip it up. There's 2 zippers that meet in the middle on this main compartment. And then for the back, I'm going to get the laptop in here. This is padded on both sides. And there's plenty of room if you wanted to use a bigger backpack. This is, you can't even see it. This is a MacBook Pro. It goes so far in because it's smaller than it needs to be. Okay, and then this is a 16.9 size water bottle. It fits on the side pocket, and then I have some sunglasses that go on the other one. But you could also do it the other way around if you wanted to put the water on one side. It fits in both pockets. They're both the same exact size. So this front pocket, finally, I'm going to put like some paperwork in here, my passport, and my copy of my passport and stuff like that. I've got a hairbrush. There's a spot for 2 different pens. Actually, sorry. 2 pens can go in here. There's room for a phone. There's a leash for your key so you don't lose track of that. And I've put this little bag in there just in case I ever needed to remove my medications or anything like that. Some extra earbuds and my lip gloss, sunscreen, and tissues. So all of that, neatly organized in there. So zipping that up. And then the last thing I want to show you is this handle here, and then the trolley pass to put it on your suitcase. I've got my carry-on luggage here, and I'm going to just slide it over the handle. It stays nice and snug up against it so that you don't have to worry about it bouncing around and weighing it down. It's balanced, and you're good to go. Thanks for watching. I hope you'll subscribe to my channel and give it a thumbs up.